Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can change name on your Bigo Live. To do so, first of all, download the Bigo Live app and log into your Bigo Live account. After you log into your account, open up Bigo Live and you'll be on the live page of Bigo Live. And from here, just go on to me, which is on the bottom right side of your screen. And after that, you can see the settings button on the top right corner of the screen and an icon beside settings. Click on it, and after that it will take you to this kind of screen. Now just click on the top right corner of the screen, and after clicking on this, it will take you to an edit screen where now you are able to edit your basic information, also your name. Now go on to name, and from here now you are able to edit your name to whatever you want. And that's how you can edit your name on Bigo Live. This much for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.